Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm back with yet another tutorial video on App Guide, and in today's video I'll show you how you can turn off your Snapchat map. So you use the Snapchat application to click a lot of pictures to create a lot of snaps with your friends and families. You have this Snapchat map feature turned on in your Snapchat account and you want to disable that for some reason, but you can't figure out how you can do it. Watch this video till the end. I'll show you some simple steps in order to turn off the Snapchat map feature on the Snapchat account. So to do that, the first thing you want to do is open the Snapchat application. Once you open the Snapchat application, make sure you're logged into the account that you want to disable this option from. So once you're logged into the account, what you want to do is tap on this map icon on the bottom left of your screen. Once you do that, you can see that the map is open. This is where I am. Now to disable this from here, what you want to do is just tap on the settings icon on the top right corner. Then in settings, what you want to do is enable this toggle besides the ghost mode. Then you'll be asked how long do you want to enter ghost mode. If you want to enable it forever, tap on until turned on, or if you want to disable it for 3 hours or 24 hours, select one of those. I'll just select until turned off. Once you do that, your location will be hidden from all your friends connected to you through your Snapchat. But Snapchat can still track you. So if you are not satisfied with this and you want to completely block Snapchat from tracking you, what you want to do is go back to your phone settings. Once you get to your phone settings, what you want to do is go into your location settings. Once you go into your location settings, what you want to do is locate Snapchat. Once you locate Snapchat, open the settings, then go into permission. Once you go into permission, locate location, tap on that, then turn it to deny. Once you do that, you'll block the permission for Snapchat to access your location. So by doing that, you'll completely block Snapchat from tracking you. So those are the simple steps in order to turn off the Snapchat map feature from a Snapchat account. So that will be it for today's video. Hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with some new information. Goodbye.